How to make beef mentai rice? Okay, I will explain you how to make beef mentai rice. The ingredients are 1 bowl full of white rice, so bon cabe, original bon cabe, and also Kimbo kitchen bolognese, semur, hot mayonnaise, onion, and also garlic, seaweed, cheese craft, nori or nori powder, mozzarella, and also chili sauce. And also there was 3 tablespoons of oil, masako, and also salt. They are the ingredients. So for the step, firstly, we make the butter sauce. We prepare the frying pan with the average of burning fire. Pour the ingredients for the sauce. They are 3 tablespoons of oil, and we heat it until heat briefly. After that, pour the garlic and onions that we have sliced it into these of cuts. So we mix it. After heat perfectly, pour the teaspoon of salt and a little of masako just for flavoring the sauce. Then mix it well. So we pour half bowl of Kimbo kitchen bolognese and 1 bowl of Kimbo kitchen semur daging sapi. Then after 2 minutes cook. Yes, we mix it after 2 minutes cook and turn off the stove. So for the seasoning of rice, we prepare the rice and mix it well with the butter of sauce that we have made it before. Mix it well until blend by spread. Thirdly, transfer the rice that we have mixed it before to a heat-resistant dish, or we can use the aluminum foil. Spread the rice, set aside. Now it's time to put the seasoned seaweed above the rice, and also we can pour or put the mozzarella cheese above the butter of rice. The last, cover it with hot mayonnaise until smooth and cover all the part. We can add the garnish after cover it by the hot mayonnaise. Okay, we cover it. Until smooth and covered all the part. We add by the garnish of scrape of cheese or nori powder or bon nori, right? And also bon cabe. This is bon cabe. Above the ready butter of rice. After that, we bake or steam it briefly using steamer. This is the steamer, and we turn on the stove. We steam it until the surface change color. We put on the steamer and we close the steamer. Okay, we wait about 15 minutes and tada! Finally, after 15 minutes, we take the mentai rice from the steamer and beef mentai rice is ready to serve. Thank you for your attention.